What's going on, everyone? It's Matthew with Matthew Specialized Detailing. It is just a few days before Christmas. It's Wednesday, and cleaning up the shop. I'm putting away some of my tools from yesterday's mobile job. I was up at the Roadster Shop working on that really cool 65 Mustang Vapor, they call it. And so I'm putting away my tools, emptying out the Toyota Tacoma, and I'm excited. Christmas break is it's here. And I really love this time of the year where I get to kind of just unplug from the detailing world for a little bit. And got a couple weeks off of work until we get back into it in January. More to follow with that coming soon. But I was pulling all this stuff out of the truck, and I just figured I would show everybody kind of some of the stuff I take with me out in the field when I go and I do these mobile jobs. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you guys kind of how I have my stuff broken down. Let's take a quick look. Okay, let's start with pads. I got, always bring a fresh box of pads with me. And then these are the super awesome Sitio crates that I have some of my clean used pads in. The one on the bottom is 6-inch. These are 3-inch pads, and then 5-inch in microfiber, wool, and foam. So those are super cool. They stack, they slide. Look at that, how cool that is. Then I bring a bag of microfiber towels. This is kind of my microfiber setup, but this is all of the buffing pads and the towels that I use so I can keep tabs on my material costs. This is just a little bit of everything. Some of my battery powered tools and my KXK stuff, sanding blocks, all that stuff. And then this is kind of like the mixed bag of all my juicy favorite liquids and compounds I have with me. Oberk Sol M100, ceramic detail spray, the AIM glass cleaner, diluted APS, primer polish, some delameline, the new Oberk. This stuff is awesome. Quick detailer. Harpro's Ultra Cut, and paint sealant, Oberk Cut. This is an old finishing glaze called Black Gold. They don't even make that anymore. But these are some of the liquids I take out in the field with me. And then here is just all my tools. Let's see if I can power through some of this. Boom. 21, 15, flex, and I have my Griot's 3-inch and my battery powered rotary with me. And I keep that battery powered rotary in this bag. And then of course the lighting. Gotta have good lights. My Lowboy, the new one I just put together with the night chasers. And last but not least, I always bring my tripod with me in case I gotta record something. And my little rolly seat. It all fits in the taco really good. It looks like a lot of stuff, but it actually breaks down pretty quickly, and it's super easy to get going. So hope you guys have a good holiday, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the new year.